This is my first time playing this game, so... Well, I once played this game earlier, and I played like 5 seconds of it, and it was very easy. Okay, so which one should I join? I'll do a solo to warm up. I haven't played Minecraft in a while. For the actual Minecraft player, this game is easy. Okay, we gotta wait. Wait. Okay. We're almost done. I forgot, am I using a kit? I might be using a kit. Wait, there's no cooldown. There's barely a cooldown on the sword. There's no cooldown on the sword. This is... Okay. Mom. Why did I even say your mom? It makes no sense. Like this game. Shoot. I can't God bridge. I can't God bridge in this game. I probably can. I hesitated for a second. I'm gonna kill this dumb noob. Bro, why can't I bridge? I can't bridge. This is the effect for not playing Minecraft for like... This is the effect for not playing Minecraft for like 3 months. That's the effect. Hacks, nice, bro. So someone's trying to blame someone for hacking. Oh, I got some nice stuff. Not gonna lie. Is there ender chest? Isn't there ender chest? There's like every noob in this game. I wonder if there is an ender chest, but I don't know if there's ender chest. Report hacks! Whoa! Report hacks! Report blue! Oh no, he's hacking! Oh no, he's hacking! Oh no, he's hacking. What are we gonna do? Maybe just kill him? Or get good? Yeah, maybe just get good, man. Man, just get good. Stop pulling someone out for hacks. Just get good. That's how I beat him. Just get good. You just need to get good, man. Just get good. Get good and you can beat him. It's easy as that. Just get good. Just get good. You just need to get good, man. Get good. Okay, 6 diamonds. Now let's get sharpness. This is a warm-up for me. Just know that. That's the reason I'm playing so fast is because I've never played this game. And this is a warm-up. So just imagine me when I've actually played this game like a few times. Just imagine that. Okay. In normal Minecraft, I can speed bridge. Ooh, it's not a bad amount of gold. It's pretty good. Okay. Let's gear up a little, and we'll just then let's gear up a little, and then we'll just start rampaging. I don't want to risk it. Oh, that's not bad. Bro, I'm not playing Risk right now. I had a lot of loot right now. I have a lot of loot. I have a lot of loot and I don't want to risk it. So just do it like this. And that's how you play. Though if I wasn't rusty, I would have won by now if I wasn't rusty. Even though I never played this game. I never played this game, but I'm rusty in real Minecraft. So I don't think this will be good. How much beds have I got? Okay. Sure, I'm dead, man. Sure. I don't even need a bed. I don't care. I don't need a bed. Never mind, I need a bed. Never mind. What did I do? 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 Okay. I'm just gonna play one more match. And then now that I know this game isn't too easy. I thought this game was pretty easy at first. I think I'll do a team of doubles. I'm used to doubles. Well, I'm used to doubles in real Minecraft. It's nice playing a new game. Starting fresh. Create a party, invites kids, walker. I might start playing this game. I might. It's because in normal Minecraft, I won't catch up in normal Minecraft. Because everyone just got super good in normal Minecraft now. So I don't think I can catch up. But what I can do is play this game and catch up in this game. I'll still be playing normal Minecraft Bed Wars, but I don't know. Did I even get a teammate? Yes, I got a teammate. In every normal Minecraft game, I never get a teammate. Mark my words, I never get a teammate. Okay, let's go destroy. Shoot, I don't have any more blocks. Teammate, you're gonna have to cover me. You're gonna have to cover. Want some blocks, man? You got some blocks? Yeah, go ahead, use that. I dare you, man. Bro, just build. Do you know English, man? Do you know English? Get blocks, I'll put them off. Nice try, man, nice try. Good job. Oh, shoot. Imagine being bad at the game. Like, imagine. This game is so easy. This is so easy, man. This is so easy. Imagine sucking at the game. Bro, what the heck? How's he flying? Yeah, turn the hacks off. Yeah, turn the mocks off. Bro, it's a 2v1. Okay. Shoot. Let's get these blocks and go destroy them. Go destroy them, man. Go destroy them. This game is so different from normal Minecraft. I think I just gotta go first person. Okay, I'm going first person now. I'm going first person. Okay, I think that's where I'm gonna end it. Bye. Next time I won't be trash. Mark my words. Next time I won't be trash.